today we're on our way to a cruise. I can't believe it, finally. To the ones that don't know, Melbourne, the restrictions have dropped. We can finally go out for a cruise and enjoy our cars all together. We're gonna go to this cruise right now, try to film some sick content. I'm following my mate Josh in his purple S14 over there. There's also a white 32 GDR. We pulled up to the lights. He goes, hey dude, I watch your videos. So it's cool running into subscribers, man. It's such an awesome feeling. So yeah, hopefully we get some mad content with all the cars there. Hopefully we film some nice Skyline Supras. Hopefully there's an RX-7. I want to try and get a bunch of different content for this channel as well. Can't just be Skylines. But anyway, we're on our way to the cruise. See how the night goes. Shout out to that dude in the white R33 GDR for watching the channels. That's sick. Pretty late for the meet, so everyone left for the cruise and everyone was eating pizzas and shit, so I didn't want to go out and just like walk around people's cars. Felt a bit awkward doing that. So now we're just going to go for a little cruise, hit some boost around like this. Just enjoy our car since we've got a bit of freedom now that the restrictions are dropped. Probably go to another spot, kick back, try to get some boost clips of the SR20 and his S14. Try to get some outside shots of my R33, so we'll see what happens. E30 BMW coupe, it's pretty cool. Oh man, I never trust my car being here alone. I don't trust all these shit drivers around. Man, I enjoy my R33 so goddamn much. Such a fun car to drive around town. So glad I built it, just sounds so sick. Alright, time to go kick back. Yeah.
I'm gonna come back. Let's look. It's on. Hold this. The bonnet doesn't move.
It's a cool R33 over there.
Is it the over there? That's the same GDR, that was the same one.
Is it the same guy? It's funny as.
Oh, unless there's another one on top lights with the same wheels.
So yeah, the guy at the white 32 is back. There's a nice white R34. There's a cool T-Effected 33, which is sick. And there are the cops just over there. If you can see the red and blue flashing in the distance. Oh shit, they're pulling over somewhere. Close your bonnet, man. Shit, boys. We're getting arrested, man. We're getting arrested. Shit. Too many street skids. Just a nice white R34. Oh my god, dude, I called it a white R34. This red R34 is just chilling out here. Looks pretty sick. Got the carbon bonnet, looks sick. Hard to tell what wheels they are. They look like Workmeisters. Not a bad 34, man. They're getting so pricey right now. Would not let this thing go. Dope ass SR20. The guy that fabbed up these cooler pipes is the same guy that tuned my S14. So Ben can also weld pretty damn cool. And old mate just blew a gasket on the turbo. Oh well, still go out and have some fun. This SR20 looks so sick though, man. The pink with the purple. And the Yoshio factory oil cap right there. Dope. I'm pretty bummed out. There was a lot of cool Skylines. You hear that flutter? There's some Skylines around, but everyone left pretty early, man, which sucks. Oh, cool. There's another white 32 over here. Look at that. Hell yeah, man. So yeah, a lot of the Skylines left, so we'll see what tomorrow brings, man. I think I'm going to wrap it up for tonight. So yeah, dudes, I'm pretty bummed out that a lot of the Skylines left early. Some cops did show up, so I guess it just scared everybody away. But I had a really fun time kicking back. It's been a long while since I've seen some mates and some good cars around. But now that the restrictions have dropped, it means that there's going to be a lot more meets, get to hang out with mates again. So it's good to kick back, and we'll film some more content soon. So where I'm going with the story, now that we can do shit, it's going to be a lot more content to come with some meets. Go film some subscribers' cars. It's just such a nice feeling driving the R33 around. Damn red light. But yeah, as I was saying, I can't wait to film some more content now that the restrictions have dropped. We can go out. I want to film subscribers' cars, so hit me up on my Instagram if you got a Skyline, Supra, Chaser, whatever you got. I'm gonna go out and film some more content. There's definitely gonna be a shit ton of meets now. Yeah, man, I'm so looking forward to just hanging out with people and getting some mad content. I'm on my way home right now. Alright dudes, I hope you enjoyed the clips from yesterday. It's just unfortunate with my mate's S14, every time we organise to get some footage of his car, something always happens. Like yesterday, his turbo gasket went. So he's got a T2 gasket and that just expanded, popped out, so we couldn't really get any boost clips. It's a massive exhaust leak, so he's got to fix that. But I hope you enjoyed some of the stuff that I got with the R33. And if you don't follow my Instagram, you would have seen that my intercooler pipe popped off. So if you don't follow my Instagram, I usually put like behind the scenes stuff. So I take photos of things or videos and show you guys what's going on. So make sure to follow my Instagram to see stuff like that. Come over here. So while I was out sending it yesterday, and I was actually having a really good time, like my car felt so good. Since I got that proper wheel alignment done, my car felt so smooth, just going in circles at my Uncle Bob's factory. So yeah, don't go to my Uncle Bob's factory. A lot of you guys know where it is. He gets a bit angry doing burnouts on his private property, so please don't go there. But anyway, the intercooler pipe over there popped out. Luckily I'm running a map sensor so I can drive the car home. I didn't have any of my tools on me, so always have your tools on you, so that way if something happens you can fix it. Like once my fuel pump carked on me a few years ago and I had my tools with me, fix that fuel pump on the side of the road. So always keep some tools on you. So yeah, as I was saying, running a map sensor, so I couldn't hit my turbo. I'm like, oh, any bet the intercooler pipe blew off, which it did. So I just drove home slowly, and if I also run like a MAF sensor, like a stock MAF or something, the car would have stalled, wouldn't be able to get home, the car would have been broken down, stuck there until I can get that cooler pipe put back on. So yeah, another plus side to having a MAP sensor, because at least you can still drive the car home slowly and don't have to worry about the MAF like carking the car out on you. So definitely get a MAP sensor. Another thing is, so as you guys are watching this video, it's going to be a busy week for me. Tomorrow the S14 is going for a full wheel alignment, so these are the new wheels I got. They make the S14 look so much more tougher, and I can't wait to get a full wheel alignment done on this. Check out the new GK Tech roll correction kit. We've got 2 days drifting at Winton, so November 27th and November 28th. Hopefully this car lasts for 2 days. I'll show you guys the new parts that I've got to make sure it lasts. We're definitely going to change out the clutch. We're also going to take out the ABS unit. It's never been plugged in and it's light, but yeah, we're going to get rid of it, get rid of the hard lines and stuff, and put in the GK Tech ABS delete kit. I'll show you guys that in a second. So that big unit, that's going to come out, so I'll probably sell it to someone. And with my R33, I'm not sure if I want to do the same thing with my R33. Let me know in the comments if you guys reckon I should take out the ABS system in my R33. So yeah, I'm thinking about doing the ABS delete kit with the GK Tech stuff in the R33. So yeah, that'll be another day, but yeah, that's a thing I got to do this week as well. So take out that unit, and because I've chucked in some new brake pads, we're going to bleed the brakes. Once you put the new ABS line kit in, we're gonna bleed the brakes, so I'll show you guys how to do that as well. So I'll show you dudes what I got. Don't worry about that. I'll show you guys that in a second. So this is the GK Tech ABS Delete kit. So you just get rid of that big ABS unit, get rid of all the hard lines, and then replace it with all this stuff right here. So I'll show you guys how to do that. Then we got a clutch pivot ball, a strengthened one. Tell you guys why in a second, why you need that. Also got a braided clutch line for the S14. Now with this clutch, it's an Exceedi extra heavy duty clutch. I'm running it in my R33. It is an amazing clutch. I love the way it feels. Has not slipped on me once. So with the S14, it's never going to make anywhere near power as the R33. So I know this clutch is going to be handy for a very long time. And when you go to like a harder sprung clutch, you need a stronger clutch pivot ball because the stock ones tend to break. Definitely need to get a stronger one. And then a braided clutch line, so that way when you're clutch kicking and the line can expand on the OEM one and explode. So this is a braided one, so it's not going to explode on you. So yeah, these are the two key items you need with a good clutch. So Tuesday we're going to go for the wheel alignment, then Wednesday we're going to go to my mate's factory and I'll show you guys how to install an RB25 clutch and an RB25 gearbox. Hi, welcome to the Clutch Kick Junkies Arts and Crafts. All you need is your JDM beer. Make sure to cut it out like so. Then we'll come to the cooler pipe over here. Actually, I need two hands for this. Oh, would you look at that? Perfect. Now that's cool. Alright, so I couldn't get the can to sit up on the top part there, just wouldn't sit flush, so I've just put it down here where it sits a lot better. So what I've done is, I've just chucked a bunch of silicone underneath the can, pressed it around the pipe, the intercooler pipe, grabbed some 3 zip ties, so one at the bottom, in the middle and at the top. Just leave it there overnight, let it dry. We'll come back to it tomorrow and hopefully it works. So I'm going to post that on my Instagram if it works, so follow my Instagram to see this kind of shit. I thought I'd show you guys something. This is my old RB25 exhaust heat shield. So my S14's RB25 never came with one, and if you can see down here, turbo sits way too close to the exhaust manifold and I don't want that front part getting too hot. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to see if this will fit. I'll spray it with like black caliper paint. We'll chuck it in here and hopefully it protects the heat from hitting up the turbo too much, because you definitely want cold air going into this motor, especially for 2 days worth of drifting, and I'm so excited about that. Now with the R33, we'll go for a little cheeky test drive. Since I put the cooler pipe back in, we'll hit a couple boosts here and there just to see if it's all good. Hopefully the pipe doesn't pop off. Might bring my tools with me just in case, but I put some hairspray on the cooler pipe and then I really tighten the clamp to like its maximum tightness. So hopefully it doesn't pop off anymore. So let's go for a test drive. Yeah, she's working, boys. The sad thing about GoPro mics, it's like it struggles to pick up all the car's noises. So what I hear, you guys don't hear. So if you heard this guy in person, it sounds so much better than it does on camera. Like, hold on. Like that raspy note. I don't know if the GoPro is picking that up well, but from what I hear, man, it's the best sound ever. I just love the way this car sounds. Went successful, happy with the car's performance and the way it sounds again. I am going to keep an eye on that cooler pipe. I am going to keep some tools on me just in case it happens while I'm far away from home. So yeah, always keep an eye on your stuff like that. Alright dudes, if you're a new viewer, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps out the channel. Make sure to hit that like button, share this video to your mates, leave a comment down below. And then Tuesday, tomorrow, we're going to get the wheel alignment done on my S14, and then Wednesday, the RB25 clutch install. So I'll show you guys how to do all of that, and then Thursday the ABS delete kit. So it's going to be a busy week, but it's definitely going to be worth it. Yeah, I'm going to wrap it up right here. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Catch you guys later.